Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Coach. So today we are going to learn a new word that is ineffable. Ineffable. Ineffable is an adjective. Ineffable means something which cannot be described in words. Okay, which is too great to be described in words. Incapable of being expressed or described in words. We can say ineffable joy means the, the joy cannot be described in words. Ineffable pleasure, which cannot be described in words, which cannot be expressed. Okay, so some synonyms are inexpressible, we cannot express it, right? Indescribable, indefinable, unspeakable. Okay, antonyms definable, describable, which can be expressed through words, right? So, ineffable means something which cannot be expressed in words, which cannot be described in words. Okay? Sometimes people refer to God as ineffable because no human has ever seen God, right? So, people refer to God as ineffable. Okay? Ineffable is an adjective. Let us see some examples to understand its usage. Our deepest encounter with God is sometimes almost ineffable. Sometimes, when we begin to encounter God, right? So when we are so much engrossed in our prayers, uh, that experience, that moment becomes ineffable. We cannot express it in words, right? We fail to describe it. We fail to find words to speak of it, to define it, right? There is something ineffable about the experience of being on a high mountain top. So the experience is ineffable, right? The experience cannot be described in words. Mm, uh, the experience cannot be expressed. Okay, ineffable is an adjective. When we say ineffably, ineffably is an adverb form of ineffable. Okay, his music is ineffably beautiful. So here his music is ineffably beautiful. The beauty of the music cannot be described in words. Okay, the beauty of the music is indefinable, indescribable, inexpressible, right? So his music is ineffably beautiful. So keep in mind that ineffable is an adjective. Ineffable means something which is too great to be described in words, too good to be described in words. Okay, uh, some synonyms are inexpressible, indescribable, indefinable, unspeakable, and antonyms are definable, describable, something which can be described in words. Okay, so we learned a new word, ineffable, today. I hope you like my videos. Don't forget to like and share with your friends so that they also benefit from the videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And stay tuned to learn one new word each and every day. Thanks for watching.